It was Max Weber who, in describing the newly minted discipline of sociology that he helped found, actually asserted what was to become the foundation of the symbolic interactionist perspective, that individuals act in accordance with their interpretations of the meaning of the world they live in. Individuals arrive at this interpretation by taking into account the behavior of others around them. Here's what Weber had to say. Sociology, in the sense in which this highly ambiguous word is used here, is a science which attempts the interpretive understanding of social action in order thereby to arrive at a causal explanation of its course and effects. In action is included all human behavior when and insofar as the acting individual attaches a subjective meaning to it. Action in this sense may be either overt or purely inward or subjective. It may consist of positive intervention in a situation or of deliberately refraining from such intervention or passively acquiescing in the situation. Action is social insofar as, by virtue of the subjective meaning attached to it by the acting individual or individuals, it takes account of the behavior of others and is thereby oriented in its course. Now, in the 1920s, the American philosophers and social theorists George Herbert Mead and his colleague Charles Horton Cooley really took this idea and developed it into what was to become a major perspective within American sociology. Symbolic interaction theory attends to the subjective meanings that individuals hold about their own and others' behaviors. Symbolic interactions maintain that people act on the basis of what they believe to be true, and that society is therefore socially constructed through human interaction. Individuals act and others interpret their behavior, and it is these actions and their interpretations that form social bonds.